It's time. Here it is. The giveaway. Happening now. Tomoe just said I said it wrong. She said I have to say happening now.
So now I'm cutting pieces of paper, and inside these and on these pieces of paper that I'm cutting right now has names on each of them. Okay? Because now I need to put them in tiny pieces so they can all fit inside their hat.
Cool. Thanks, Taz. Tell me about your shirt.
I'm now wearing not my pajamas. It's my Lego shirt. I'm gonna put all these pieces of paper that I cut out that all has names on them, and I'm gonna put them in this hat, and I'm going to like shake the hat so it can be randomized and everything.
Now, what are we doing?
And we're trying to find out who's the winner.
For the giveaway, right?
Yeah, for
Yeah. Should we do it together or are you ready to do it now?
So all I have to do is like close my eyes and pick one.
Oh, okay.
Do it now.
Yeah, sure. Okay, go ahead. Swirl them around, make sure it's nice and random. And the winner is?
Eduardo Galvin Cornet.
Let's have a look, sweetie. Eduardo Galvin Cornet? Yeah, okay, cool. Congratulations, Eduardo. Hey, congratulations, Eduardo. I'll follow up with you now by email and by messenger and double check your address, and we'll send this off this week. Congratulations, mate. I hope you really like it, and thank you very much for all your help, Tabs.
Bye.
Thanks, guys. Bye. For details on how we put this giveaway together, either please watch this video on the left or click the link on the right to be taken to the Patreon page where I explain all of the details. You can get set up for the next giveaway. Hope you win that one too. Cheers, guys. Bye.